Hi guys! Today I want to show you a super cool place in Indonesia. It's called Bogor Botanical Garden. This garden is really old. It was made in 1817 and it's the oldest in Southeast Asia. It's in a city called Bogor and it's really big, like 187 hectares. There are more than 13,000 kind of plants here. Amazing, right? In 2018, UNESCO said this garden is super important and put it on the tentative World Heritage List. That means it might become a World Heritage Site in the future. The garden is not just full of plants, but it also has a cool design and a long history. It shows how science and culture grow in Indonesia and the world. Now, let's talk about the new part. The Hoya Greenhouse, opened in May 2025, is the biggest Hoya plant house in Southeast Asia. There are over 100 types of Hoya plants, and many from Indonesia. Then, there's Ghea. It's a house for orchids. You can see many kind of orchids here, even the rare one from Indonesia. The Round Lake is a small lake located near Gunting Lake. Around it, there are many benches to sit and relax. In front of it, there is a big banyan trees. It's surrounded by many plants, which makes the place feel cool and peaceful. Next is the aquatic garden. Has water plants like lotus and water hyacinths. It helps to protect them and teach us about the pond life. And don't miss the black orchid garden. It has dark and black orchids, which are super rare and very cool. So yeah, this place is perfect for you guys if you love nature, plants, or just wanna chill somewhere peaceful. Hope you guys enjoy. Bye!